So hello guys, welcome to my live trading session. And as usual, I'll be sharing with you some free trading signals ahead of the week, which is the first week of December. So if you are new here, kindly help me do the YouTube business and smash on that subscribe button and also like this video so that YouTube will get to recommend it to more traders as well. So now let's just get straight to work. But before we start off, let me first of all share the link with the people in my Telegram community. So let me just copy it and then share it to them on Telegram first. Okay. So now they have the link. So now let's get straight to work. So in case you have any pair that you want me to look into, you can kindly drop it in the comment section because I'll be looking through the comments as well. So if you have any pair that you want me to look into, kindly drop it down there. Now that aside, let's take a look at the first market on my list here, which is Euro Aussie dollar. Now first of all, I'll look at it on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so looking into the 4-hour right here, we'll have a clear support level in here, which is where the market is sitting right now. And then where is the resistance here? We also have this minor resistance right here. Now we have this, so now I can go down to the 1-hour time frame to see the structure the market is creating. Now the 1-hour time frame here, you can see the market was a downtrend from this direction, but now from here, it gave us a market shift to the upside. The market shift is also the same as change of character. For those of you who don't know, it's also the same as change of character. Now we have it there. We also have a break of structure right here. Here we have a break of structure. Here we have another break of structure. Now we have these two levels, all these break of structure. So now the next thing is to actually identify our supply and demand levels. And in this scenario, we are in an uptrending market because the market is actually trading upward. Don't consider this downside yet. This is probably just a retracement. So first of all, we are focusing on the upside of the market since the market is giving us breakout structures to the upside. So here we have a demand right here with this liquidity level pasted around here. Here we have another demand right here with this liquidity pasted around here. Now, so basically with this setup right now, we want this market to actually sweep the liquidity at this support level and then come straight down to this 1.163 level on Euro AUD before we get in. So even if I should go down to the 30-minute time frame, these levels will still be vivid. So for those of you who know me, you know that I trade a 30-minute time frame. So let me just minimize the, yep. So basically this is a setup on Euro AUD. We'll be waiting forward to take a long from here. Now the reason why we are taking a long from here is simply because here created this breakout structure we are seeing here. meaning when the market comes back, there's also a higher possibility that it's going to push it back upward to create a level just like that. So for now, we'll be waiting for it to get into the long position from this area here. With a stop loss right below here, and we'll be targeting here as our take profit one actually, and that will be a 1:5 first, and then we'll look into the overall 1:10. Now, so this is basically it. So the first one here is actually on Euro AUD. We'll be waiting for to get in at this point. Now, when the market come here, for those of you who are watching, when the market come here, please don't get in immediately. We actually have to wait for the market to give us a confirmation. So for example, once the market comes into this area of demand here, you have to wait for it to, like for example, the market comes here. Now once it taps this area of demand, now my advice is that wait for a 30-minute bullish close. So before you get in as a buy, wait for a 30-minute candle to close bullish outside here. Now once you get the 30-minute candle closes bullish, then you can go in. Until that, please don't go in on any trade. So I'm leaving this like this. Now next up is simply GBP JPY, where we had a sweeper from last week. Let me just clear it off. Now looking at GBP JPY, it's pure downtrend. We don't even need the higher time frame to judge it. Like we don't even need the higher time frame to judge this downtrend. However, we can see on the 4-hour here is sitting at this area here, which I'm not even sure it will respect. But then we are not playing with sure assurance here. We're actually playing with real-time market analytics. Okay, so now let's look at the structure it has been creating. So since I can't go way too much back, I'm just going to start marking from here. A break of structure right here. A break of structure right here. A break of structure right here as well. So basically looking at GBP JPY, we have an interest to sell from this level, which is the 192.132 level. Another sell interest. Another sell interest is probably at this area right here. So we can't identify any level here until the market break this area first. If the market is able to break here, then we can look forward to identifying supplies. Supplies around here. So since it hasn't broken this level here, we can't identify anything here, but we just have to wait for the market to give us a retracement back to this level. So basically, when I'm trading GBP JPY, for those of you in my Telegram channel, you know that what I only wait for heavy moves on it before I drop my signals. So last week we had a 1:6. So if you can get a 1:7 this week, wouldn't be a bad idea either. Yep. So this is basically it on GBP JPY. I'll patiently wait for GBP JPY to actually trade into this area of 1.92.164 level. Once it gives me a confirmation around here, then I'm going to take a sell. Note, for those of you who are taking, I'm not a scalp trader, so all my signals are intraday stroke swing trades. So that is how far I hold my signals, my trades. So if you are taking my signals, you should know that what you are definitely going to hold it for quite a period of time, not something you want to hold for just 2 minutes or something. However, some of them might play out within 2 minutes, within few minutes, but then the overall trend is that I'm looking for a heavy move, because that is the only way you can get to have a profitable circle for the long run. Okay, so I'm checking out for comment right now. So please, if you are watching, kindly help me drop a like as well, because it will help go a long way. Now next up is GBP USD. Now let's look at it on the 4-hour first. On the 4-hour here, market is acting from a 4-hour supply level, as you can see here. The market is selling off from a 4-hour supply level. However, due to multiple tests, this area could be doubted, so we basically just have to look for a 30-minute setup. Let me look at it if there's any good setup on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at this market right now, the only reasonable thing here could possibly be looking for buys at this point here. But the area looks so adapted, so basically I'm going to wait for the market to give me a break of structure. Since it's acting from a 4-hour supply level, I'm going to wait for it to give me a break of structure at a 30-minute before I think of any setup here. So I'm just going to skip GBP USD. Now let me mark the market where we have setups. So I'm skipping GBP USD. Let me go over to GBP card. Okay, same attitude from GBP card here, acting from this area of resistance, so I'm also going to skip it. So basically I only take trade where my setup looks so clear and vivid. If it's not clear, then I don't do any setup in the market. Now this is one of my favorite recently, known as the UK 100. So looking at UK 100 right now, is there any setup I can look into? If there's no level, I'm just going to move away from it as well. Okay, we only have a 4-hour level here. And the 4-hour, we have a demand here. That could use this area. And then we have another demand right here. So personally, as someone who has been trading UK 100 for quite a long time, I definitely know that it's going to react from the first one there. I definitely know it's going to react from this first demand over here, because I've been trading UK 100 for quite a long time and I've gotten decent reward from it, so I know how it acts. So I'm just going to adjust this one down here. So as you can see, most of the trades I'm dropping here are basically swing trading opportunity that we probably have to hold for quite some period of time to be able to get a result. So for this level here, just adjust it to this 30-minute level. Yep, and I'm just going to keep an alert here. You can see the market is all an uptrend, so I can't stress myself going to look for breakout structures and the rest. So I just have to look for my demand level straight up. Yep. So now we are going to see how the week is actually going to play out when the market comes here. Yep. So I'm also going to look for a buy from this level right here. Targeting this high here with my stop loss right below here. That's a 1:5 on UK 100. I'm not new to it. Now next up is DAX, so now I'm just going to tag UK 100 as well. And next up I'll go over to DAX, which is German 40. So now these are the pairs I personally am trading recently. So if you have any other pair you want me to look into, you can just drop it in the comment section. I'm actually following up with the comment section right now. So if you have any pair, you can drop it off in the comment section. I'll be with you. Now let me look at DAX on the 4-hour time frame. DAX dancing off a 4-hour area of resistance, as we all can see, with a support way back here. So you can see the circle DAX is playing in. Now let me go down to the lower time frame here. That's basically how a market, a breakout structure right there. This is not a valid demand, so I can look at it. So here's a valid demand back here on the 30 minutes. So the only demand we have is way back here on the 30 minutes. Since the market is an uptrend, we have nothing to do but just to focus on looking for buying opportunities. So I'm not going to advise you to look for it. So forget the fact that the market is falling off an area of resistance. It can go and then break above it. So since it's an uptrend, the best thing we can do is simply stick to the uptrend vibe. And then here's also another demand as well. And these two are very close, so there's no need for me hoping on this. I'll basically hope for the one that is behind it to get a better move in the market. So this is basically how you've been seeing me getting the latest heavy moves. Like even this morning, if you check my Telegram community, you know that what I've already closed a trade on a silver on of about 800 and something dollar. Those trade with using such a small lot size, you know that what you have to wait for a very long move to actually get them. So here, this is basically it. I'll be waiting for this on German 40. I'll be waiting for this movement. I'm not going to look for any sell here. I'll patiently wait for whenever it sells to this point, then I'll look for my buy, provided that it doesn't break the level. Now next up is USOIL. There's no big deal here. We all can see clearly that what it is a sell market. I personally sold it last week. Market shift here. Breakout structure right here. My supply right there. Just going to keep my alert right there. Now, so this is it on USOIL. I'm patiently waiting to sell from 69,440. So that's what I'm waiting for to sell from. So I wait for the market to pull back into that area. Now this US oil, so it might take some period of time, but the truth is that it will always pull back in there. So this was S&P 500. Okay, so no comments. This S&P 500. No longer analytics to do on S&P 500 here. It has been riding all-time high, creating new highs. So we all basically know what we are looking for here. Market shift way back here. Breakout structure way up here. Look at the 1 hour time frame to identify key levels. Have a demand here. Have a demand here. Look at the daily time frame. Okay, so that is exactly the high there. So the market is just currently retracing, so we'll have to wait for it to retrace back to this level to look for our buy. So let me just modify here on the 30-minute time frame. I don't like using big stop losses. So here's the level right here. Basically, here is it. Yep, so we are waiting for a pullback to this level on the 30-minute. Okay, I'll have it on the USOIL on the 30-minute. Okay, this is silver. Yep, this trade it's like I closed it this morning. Here was it on silver. If you look at it here, silver, you can see sold from 30.725 and they closed at 30.141. Here is it right here on silver. You can see closed December 1202. You can see $855 from silver. Now let me just wipe it off. Market is all a downtrend. You can see market is all a downtrend. However, if we look at the 4-hour time frame clearly here, market gave us a breakout structure to the downside here. And then give us a market shift to the upside right here. If you look at it, you see a market shift to the upside. This market shift was powered by this area here. Let me just go back to the 30-minute. So the 30 minutes, it's clear that what we have is a range supply. I mean a range demand right here. So for that, we can stick to the hourly level. So we can observe to buy silver from here as well. Let me just keep my alert. 29,900. Yep, so silver, I'll be waiting to buy silver at 29.90014. So this is basically all the pairs I personally trade. I don't have any other much pairs. So now let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that basically means I'm set for the week ahead. So now if you have any pair you actually want me to look into, you can kindly let me know right now in the comment section. You can let me know any pair that you want me to look into. So if you have any pair you want me to look into, you can kindly let me know now. We have Euro AUD buying from 1.61416. We have GBP JPY, and our target is to sell from 192.164. We skip GBP USD and then went down to UK 100. You can see on UK 100 we are looking to buy from 8,212. GEMA 40 we are looking forward to buy from 19,407. USOIL we are waiting to sell from 94.440. S&P 500 we are waiting to buy from 6,015. And then silver we should be waiting to buy from 29.904 level. So now this is basically all. So since there's no comment or nothing, I believe I can actually end the video. And for those of you who are new here, if you are wondering which prop firm I'm using, I'm actually using Blueberry Funded. So I'm using Blueberry Funded as my prop firm, which link will be down in the video description. If you look into the live stream description, you should have it there. So basically, let me just show it to you how you can actually set up for it. So for profit, I'm using Blueberry Funded, and then for broker, Exness is my favorite broker with some of the best spread that you get in the market. So you can go for Exness as well. So whilst you're watching the live stream right now, all you basically have to do is that just look at the description. Once you look at the description, you can see here is it. For Exness, you just click here to sign up. And then for prop firm, click here to sign up for Blueberry and then use my code PT25 and then get up to 25% discount on it. So with this already said, since there's no one requesting for repair, I believe I can actually go off right now. So I'm going off now. So now, in case you don't know exactly how to enter the trade when the market get there, the best thing you can do for yourself is simply join my Telegram channel. The link will also be in the video description as well. Join the Telegram channel, and then whenever the trade get triggered, I'm going to drop them over there. You can join my Telegram channel to get that update. So see you in my next video. Bye.